I don't know his name. Okay, I am not telling anybody's name. Don't link that now. Everybody brain is actively working on that question or not? Who is that politician? Some Venkatreddy got answer already. He is laughing. No. But he is the inventor for everything in this world. Okay. Now your brain is active or not? In the same way, when we are purchasing pen and testing, whenever you purchase a product with 10,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, something you buy per product or service, that time, is it required to take service guarantee or not? Service guarantee is required, right? Yeah. So when I went to the shop and I liked one mixer grinder, and I didn't like one. It is in white color and that is in pink color. I am a pink lover. Not about political party. Usually I am a pink lover. I like Sandeep today. I like Venkatreddy. I like him because they are in pink now. Oh, so many people are in pink. Okay. I liked that and they are saying, no sir, take this. I asked why. They come home and give service. This product cost is less. This is 2,500. That is 3,500 on offer. I went for 2,500 only. Because there should be a service. If there is no service, it is waste to buy that product. Every time we check for service only. Purchasing product is one time. But using it is every day, right? Mostly every day or okay, means most of the time we use. If you purchase mixer grinder, every day we use almost. Or if you purchase TV, every time we will use. Laptop, every day we use. We check for the service guarantee. That service guarantee for pen, 2 rupees pen, it might be oral. We will ask you, if this pen don't work, I will come and return to you. He will think, what he will say? Hey, what, 2 rupees pen? I don't know. Go to company, he will tell. So that much are particular about service. So now, whenever did you heard about GE, General Electronics? GE. It is a very big company. They have so many divisions. If you want to clear, they are using Salesforce, by the way. General Electronics is using Salesforce. If you go to General Electronics for Salesforce interview, you have to clear 7 rounds of interview. That much big company. Like us only. Torture. Too much torture. If you have this much torture, then you can clear GE interview as well. Otherwise, you cannot clear Madhu interview as well. I don't know Salesforce. If I interview as well, you cannot clear. If we don't pressure you. Means if you don't engage you in the, means you are coming here, you are asking for job. I have to provide service in proper way. For that service, I have a document here on my table. What services, how I am giving. If I don't have this, no proper services. Why you have to come to me? 20 people are teaching in Salesforce in Amirpet. I have to tell that, right? I am giving this service guarantee to you. My services are like this. I have listed out 10 points I listed out till now. And I am clearly telling, I am taking your signature every day. And before paying fee, we are taking your sign. We have that document as well. Rajni will give it to you. She will take your spouse name, parents, spouse number also, parent number also she will take. If you don't do this, she will tell them, he is enjoying here. Don't allow him to go outside. She will tell. Don't worry, there she will not do anything to ladies. She is only enemy to gents. Because she will tell ladies perfect, sir. We get job. She wants to learn Salesforce. She will get job Salesforce, Rajni, soon. Because they are ladies. No need to track. This sheet is not required for them. They have more plans than this sheet. They know how to get job. Because you will study. And these gents they are in the running race in the first place. You are running behind them. As a gents, this is our psychology. They will not get distracted for anything. They know exactly what they have to do. They select the right one. We select all wrong things. Okay. So she will do that because that is required. General Electronics is a company. They are using Salesforce and they have so many divisions. Where you see General Electronics product, did you go to any hospital? There they are keeping 1 meter, oxygen meter something. When you go to emergency, meters are there. Now what that is called? Oximeter or something that graph will come. What is that? Pulse meter.
ECG, sir.
ECG is yeah, everything I don't know. That it will be. If you are on, it will be kiki. If you are off, it is down. No sound from it. Till we get sound, it will do sound. Otherwise, it will be calm, sleeping. That is sleeping means no more. So that machines they are making means they are into healthcare division. They are making healthcare products. When you go to shopping malls, very big shopping malls, in summer, what we do? We don't stay at home and hostel. We go to shopping malls. Because it is very cool. Central AC is there. Why to stay here? So many shopping malls are around us. We can go and enjoy. 24 hours also we can pass time there. How it is so much cold? They are chillers. At home we are using AC. There they are using chillers. They have trans-cold department. From that they are making chillers. Like this, so many divisions are there. They are making these bulbs from electrical division. They are making bulbs, electronic items, and they have security, biometric systems, CC cameras. All these divisions they have. It is very big company. Then they have one more department, oil and gas. They have oil and gas. Aircraft engines also they make. From aircraft division. So like this, they have oil and gas division. They are manufacturing turbines from that division. This is about GE. For everything, there is a reason when I am speaking, except outside satsang. Now, Reliance is a company, right? Yeah. Shell is a company. What Shell is doing?
Yes, yes,
And Indian Oil, ONGC, Bharat Petroleum. All these are into oil and gas business. They are into oil and gas business. Now, does Reliance, Shell, Indian Oil, ONGC, Bharat Petroleum need GE or not now? They need GE or not? Because both of them are into same business. They might depend on each other. There is a chance. If you want to take out oil and gas from the what is that ground, you need turbine. This oil and gas companies need turbines. Those turbines are manufactured by GE. Who is selling turbine here? This is a manufacturing company or not? Write down manufacturing company. Manufacturing organization. GE is a manufacturing organization. They are manufacturing turbines. They are manufacturing turbines. Online people, are you active? Everybody getting right? My voice and screen, everything. Write down oil and gas turbines. GE is manufacturing turbines. It is a manufacturing organization. Now, Reliance, I am taking Reliance example. Reliance is a purchasing organization or not?
Yes.
They have to purchase turbines from General Electronics. So this is a purchasing organization. So this company is a client to whom? Reliance is client to GE. Gautami, you can come or you can come. I don't know. Now you just imagine Reliance is a client and GE is a manufacturing company. Those are selling turbines. In IT company, who is client? If you take hospital, any hospital, Apollo, who is client for IT company?
Apollo Healthcare.
Apollo, right?
Yes.
Getting us, no?
Yeah.
Because IT company is building applications for Apollo. Whoever is taking services, that person will become client. That organization will become client. For Reliance, who is client or who is customer for Reliance? For Reliance, who is customer? Who?
We are.
We are all. Because we are going
We
to
all are.
purchase oil and gas and diesel from them. We are customers. Now here, customers are who? People. Those
Common
who
people.
are using, who has bikes and cars. I am not customer. Mine is cycle. I am customer for Hero company. Hero cycles. Sometimes I am customer. When my family members ask me to take somewhere, that time only I use car. Otherwise, bicycle only.
Hello.
Very too much loss for country because of me.
Hello.
Evening also no liquor. No biryanis. No, not paying any tax. Only loss for the country because of me. No movies. Where I will spend? Huh? No TV. No TRP ratings because of me. But I will get all the information. How I will get? Through mobile. I will read every day so many blogs. What is happening in the world? I will read blogs. Every day my habit is reading blogs. Then only I can spread this knowledge to you. Otherwise, I can be only Madhu. Beside me, nothing. If you are individual, only your name. If you are a job holder, your profession will come. We came to this earth not because of name. There should be something beside our name. Or else no history for us. Even our parents, our spouse also will not care us. Waste fellow. Yeah, it is true. So we should have some caption for us. Like Mahesh Babu, businessman. Brand should be there for us. 10 people should walk with us. If you walk alone, who will see in Amirpet? Nobody will see. You have to walk with team. When you have that profession, when you have knowledge, if you have caption, if you have profession, all our family, everybody will walk with us. Otherwise, no walking. Hey, go bring vegetables. Nobody will care. Now, Reliance also purchasing can't be considered as customer. In this scenario, we are in this context, Reliance is a client. In this context, whatever the context we are saying, he is a customer to GE. Reliance is a customer to GE, but the product, end product is not used by the product which is delivered by the Reliance. It is not used by Reliance. Even though they are using diesel and petrol, they are selling that end product to customers, right, Sangeeta? Sangeeta.
Yeah, yes, sir.
They are selling end product to whom?
Customers.
Customers. In this context, manufacturing company, client, they are selling their product, which they have produced by using turbine. They are selling to customer. When you consider these two, GE and Reliance, that time customer. If you consider three, when you are in IT, when you are thinking in different prospect, when you have awareness, that time three people will be there. Manufacturing company, client, and customer. All this real world is with these three only. There, when you consider two people, two organizations, that time it will change. We have to consider three from now. We are entering to real world, into IT world. So here we have to consider three. From now, our mind should be on three, not two. Three will be there every time. End user, client, IT company. End user is patient, client is hospital, IT company is the they are providing services to client. So three things will be there. Every time we have to imagine from now in three ways: client, IT company, and customer. Here also manufacturing company. Here manufacturing company is what? IT for us. If you take hospital application, if you are building hospital application, who is building? IT company is building application. Who is client?
Hospital.
That hospital is a client. They are providing services to whom? Patients.
Patients.
Sangeeta. Clear, right?
I'm clear, sir.
Yeah. So we have to think in this way from now. Anywhere you go, you imagine any organization, any business, it goes in this way only. Might be IT company is not there, some other will be there. Here, if you consider GE, they are manufacturing company. In between customer and manufacturing company, Reliance is there. So think in this way. Now they are to purchase turbines. Now what Reliance will do is, they want to purchase turbine. They go to GE. Reliance will go to GE to purchase the product. They will ask, GE will ask, GE will tell Reliance, this is the product and it is the price. And we give this much guarantee, warranty, like this we will give. They will say everything is words. Orally they will say. They will show some product brochures. If you order now, if you pay some money, we will deliver this product on this day. Now, Reliance having so much money, that's why they will take out that money and give it to on table. If they give it to one room, it will become. Turbine cost millions of dollars. 2000 notes not enough. They have to bring 2-3 suitcases or 2-3 lorries to pay the turbine, because it is millions of dollars. It will be around 1,000-2,000 crores each turbine. I don't know, because I never purchased turbine. In this life, it won't happen. Some things we have to agree. If I can purchase turbine, how I will see? Why I will sit here? Okay, that is not possible. When they say that, immediately they will not give money. What they will ask? How you will provide service? What is the services you are providing? Everything you give me in written format. That is called service level agreement. You have to mention each and everything. This is the product. This product has these features. This is the cost of the product. And warranty period is this. If something happened, because when they are using turbine, if that turbine got stopped, that is called production issue. It got stopped means it is a production issue. Production got stopped. They will get 3 crore loss per hour. Not only 3 crore loss per hour. We have to stand in front of petrol pumps, because they will say no stock. And these people doesn't know why there is no stock. Because they could not supply that oil to petrol bunks. Their customers will affect. Entire country will get affected if anything happened to oil and gas. That is a major problem. Because with liquor we cannot run vehicles. And Telangana people every time thinking, why sir, here it will run. Vehicle will run with liquor. It won't happen. You have to put only diesel and petrol. Right now, some technologies came. Someone is doing with water, hydrogen, electric. That I am not talking now. So 3 crores loss per hour. It is too difficult. It is a worse situation. That time they will say, if that kind of scenario comes, what you will do for me? How much time you will resolve my situation? My production should not get stopped. If it gets stopped, I got financial loss and my customers will get affected. What we will do? Write down it and give it to me. For example, my production is get stopped at 12 o'clock. I raise a case. By 4 p.m., you have to solve that production issue. By 4 p.m., you have to solve. It's okay. I will adjust because anybody, if any problem comes, we should give some time. If it is exceeded, what we will do? Now let us assume I have said if it is a critical case, within 4 hours you have to solve that issue. I raised case at 12 p.m. 4 p.m. you have to resolve. By 4 p.m. GE has to resolve. Now, because of some things, they have resolved the problem by 6 p.m. How much loss they have got now? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 into 3. 12. And another extra 2 into 3. 6. 12 crores, it is okay. We have mentioned that in service level agreement. And what about remaining 6 crore? Who has to pay this loss? Who will pay this loss?
G.
To pay. Because you said in service agreement, we will solve your problem in 4 hours. That's why I am purchasing. Otherwise, why I will purchase? If anybody will buy a product, even we will not get married now. They will tell all conditions. You have to do this. Morning, wake up, do vanta. Give coffee. Say good morning to me. Otherwise, no. They are giving these many conditions nowadays. Because ladies are not there. Less percentage. We have to adjust. No chance for us. All conditions we have to accept. That is service level agreement. If we don't do, no food. Even we have to cook, they will take that to bedroom. Lock door and they will eat inside. We have to send WhatsApp message, please forgive me, please forgive me. After 100 messages, they will open door. Only bones will be there in biryani. Same service level agreement applied here. We have to be very careful before marriage. Okay. Now, this 6 crore loss, they have to pay. If they don't pay, they will go to court. Though they mentioned in the agreement, legal terms are mentioned. All this warranty, what they mentioned, everything they mentioned. Warranty. First, product information, manufacturing month and year, cost of the product, write down this. In the service level agreement, it is an agreement between manufacturing organization and purchasing organization. It contains product information, manufacturing date and year, cost, date of purchase, warranty, terms and condition. For physical damage, they will not give. People are very smart. If they give for physical damage, after 2 months, they will throw phone on ground. Then they will go. Sir, my phone is broken. New phone I want. For physical damage, no guarantee. Legal terms and conditions, everything they mention. If something happened, they will mention critical issue, 4 hours. You have to resolve. If something happened, we will go to court and claim from you. All this is mentioned. This entire SLA can be automated. What can be automated by using Salesforce? Done writing. Marketing process of the organizations can be automated. Sales process. Service process. In the service process, SLA. In the marketing process, campaign is nothing but promoting the product. Leads, generating the leads. This can be automated. In the sales, account, contact, opportunity, case, solution, SLA. These are the important objects in marketing, sales, and service clouds, service applications. All these activities can be automated. Any new people? Confusion here? What are these words? For you, Bhaskar, I will explain. Any new people, online people? Campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, case, solution. What is campaign?
Promoting the product.
Promoting a product.
Campaign is nothing but promoting the product or service. Product or service. When you run campaign, leads will be generated. What is lead?
Person who buy the product.
Person who is
person
interested in product or service.
Two person interested in the products that you can turn all the leads.
What is account?
Basic
Detailed
details
about
of the
information or
person or
person or organization.
Basic details about
Basic detailed about
person and
information,
organization
person or
will
organization.
going to work.
Name.
who purchase the product or service. Getting Bhaskar?
Yes, sir.
You are faster than us. What is contact?
Detailed.
Contact
Detailed
information of the
information
person
or
or
contact
who is
person
buying the
name.
product.
Contact information. All contact details. Phone number, mobile phone number, home address, mobile address. If you have any alternate person contact details, everything will be available. Detailed contact information about the organization or person who purchased the product or service. Opportunity. What is opportunity?
Revenue generated or bill.
Bill generated
Opportunities
by
revenue
buying
or
the
bill
product.
generated.
Revenue or
Bill generated
Bill
from
generated
the selling of the product.
through person who purchased the product or service. It contains what it contains?
Serial number.
Serial number,
Quantity.
product,
Quantity,
Product
product quantity,
Total.
total.
price. This
Price total.
contains. Now what is case?
Detailed
Detailed
information.
information about the problem faced by the customer in the product or
Detailed
service. Detailed
information about
the
problem
problem.
faced by the customer for the product or service. What is solution?
Detailed
Detailed step-wise
solution.
Detailed
information.
solution.
Detailed
Solution.
information
Step,
solution given to the problem.
Problem or case. Case is a problem. Now what is SLA?
Service level
Service level
agreement.
agreement.
Service
It
level
is a
agreement between
written agreement between manufacturing and
Written
purchasing
agreement by
organization
terms
about
and
the product
conditions
and
is
service
given by
manufacturing
service.
company
and purchasing company about the
and
product and
client
services.
who purchase the product or service. Right? What it contains? SLA contains all these details. Where is that? SLA contains all these details. SLA contains all these details. Till this point, everyone is clear. Your name newly came. Yeah. Oh, you came before sessions, right? You came late today. You are there? Okay. So this is what we have learned from last 4 sessions. Bhaskar is too smart. He came late. 4 days he was enjoying. You got it, right? This is what we have discussed from the last 4 days. To explain this, I wasted all your time for 4 days. Okay, this is what I want to explain. Now, did you create Salesforce developer edition account? Gautami is there? Left. Gautami is there? Okay. So now we will log into Salesforce developer edition account. I am going to Classic. You are seeing this screen, right? How many parts are there in this screen? First one is top menu. This one is tab bar, and these tabs are there. This is sidebar. This is the main section. This is app launcher. That is for kids. Now we are moving up. Adults we are becoming. We have to think in different way. Now this is URL, right? I am telling this is also one part now. Write down URL. URL is one part. Next, we have top menu. On the top menu, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options are there on top menu. First one is URL. Write down number 1, URL. What is that URL? We will discuss later. Every time when we are logging in, we are doing something, you have to observe what is happening in the URL. That is very much important because we are in the cloud. Everything has to connect through URL only. Next, top menu. First one is, what is this? Salesforce logo. Second one is release logo. Salesforce has 3 releases every year. Winter. In sequence, winter, after winter. After winter, summer. Summer or spring?
Spring.
Yeah, March is spring, right? I don't know. I know Telugu calendar. I don't know English calendar. I am very old person. 60 years plus. They have 3 releases: winter, spring, and summer. What is the current release?
It's spring.
When is summer release? We don't know. I have not said. Usually spring it is in March. Now we have crossed March. It is spring 23. We have crossed earlier spring, right? Now we are in చిగుర్లు వేస్తున్నాయి చెట్లు పల్లవిస్తున్నాయి. Now it is spring. Now the release is spring release. This is the release logo for them. For every release we have this logo. Now it is spring release. We will discuss what is that release, how it comes. This is a global search. In any website, if you want search something, you can search. This is global search, you say. Then switch to lightning experience. We have 2 modes in Salesforce. What are those? Online people getting classic and lightning. You can switch to lightning from here. Next one is, this is the profile. Here we have my profile, my settings, developer console, switch to lightning experience, and log out. 6 options are there. My profile, my settings, developer console, switch to lightning experience, and log out. Remember this. Bhaskar. My profile, my settings, developer console, switch to lightning experience, log out. These 6 options are available. In the 5th one, you just put 5th one heading as profile. Under that, we have 6 options. Subheadings you have to put. Write down like that. Done, everyone? Remember this. You have to remember this. Not only writing, you have to remember this.
Sir, we have only 5, right?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. I forgot. I am weak in counting. 5. If I do mistakes anytime, you just tell me. Sometimes I will tell mistakes. You are alert, that means. So that is called user menu. 5th one is the user menu. Under user menu, we have 5 options. User menu. Next one is setup. This is for administrator activities. As an administrator, you can configure from here. Next one is help. If you want any technical help, documentation help, you can go from here, help. This we know it is an app launcher. In this app launcher, we can see different applications. Marketing, sales, service. And some other things are there. Marketing, sales, service, AppExchange, charter, like this. Next one is tab bar. This is tab bar. On this tab bar, we have tabs. Tab bar contains tabs. There are different tabs. Based on the application we select, the tabs will change. Next one is sidebar. In the sidebar, we have 3. Create new, recent items, recycle bin. Create new, recent items, recycle bin. Then we have a main section here. We have one main section here. This is called home page or landing page. Home page or landing page. This is very important to remember. Many people doesn't know after working for 3 years as well. That is a home page, land page, we call it. And that so many things are there that we will come to know later. Then we have something called force.com here. Force.com. See this. This is collapsible. Force.com. Force.com quick access menu we call it as. Now, based on the completed writing, online people, everybody clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Be active because I am keep on speaking. If you don't speak, I don't understand. Everyone is clear, right? Did everyone fill that form? Because if you don't fill that form, you will not get email. You didn't fill. That's why you didn't get message yesterday. Here you can. 3 networks are there. Samskara IT, small capital, Paramita. You can connect to any network. Passwords are different. They will give Vijay or Rajin. I don't know passwords. Based on the application based on the application we select from the app launcher. Based on the application we select from app launcher, tabs on tab bar changes. Tabs on the tab bar changes. Are you feeling hungry or something? I had fruits, juices, dry fruits.
What is this, sir?
Which one? Tab or fruits, dry fruits? Based on the application we select from the app launcher, here we have app launcher, right? Here we have app launcher, right? Sai Krishna? Who asked you? What is this? Based on the application we select. Now I am selecting marketing application. See what's happening. Tabs changed or not? I am
Hi,
yeah.
Madhu, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
This is a classic, right? Now we are using everywhere Lightning, right?
No, I didn't get Venkat.
Lightning experience we are using in every company nowadays. This is classic, right?
Yeah, this is classic. We use most of the time Lightning.
Okay.
Okay, just means we will go to that phase as well.
Okay.
Right now I am telling classic because I am very old person. I like classic.
Okay.
1940s person.
Okay, Madhu.
Now, if I select sales, see tabs are changing. Based on the application we select, features are changing. Tabs are changed. If you select service, again tabs will change. For you, it is different because this application I have customized. All these things are new. Don't worry about this. For morning batch, I have opened this. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take here. I am entering question. You have to take screenshot of tab bar by opening marketing application. You know, right, how to change from marketing into marketing sales. You have to take screenshot of tab bar by going to sales application, service application. Clear? It is assignment. Now what is tab? What is tab? Now I am saying tab, tab, tab. What is this tab? This tab is a collection of, user interfaces. This tab is collection of user interfaces. This tab is collection of user interfaces. By using this, we can create, by using tab is a collection of user interfaces. Tab contains for creating record, there is separate user interface. For editing record, there is separate user interface. For deleting record, there is separate user interface. For undeleting record, there is separate user interface. To view the records, there is separate user interface. Create, edit, delete, undelete, view. These are all user interfaces. By using these interfaces, you can create records, edit records, delete records, undelete records, and view records. Create, edit, delete, undelete, view. So not only this, there are many user interfaces in Salesforce. We will discuss about those later. Right now, we came to tab bar, and tab, there are tabs. We have to understand what is tab. Now in this tab, if you click on accounts, you can create here new. How to create account records. Now, how many objects are there in important objects in sales application?
3.
What are those?
Account, contact, opportunity.
Opportunity. For those, corresponding tabs are here. If you want to create new account, how to create new account? Create new account. Go to sales application. Click on accounts tab. Then click on new. You can create new accounts. Here see new accounts. We are in the sales application. Accounts. Click new. Not this create new. This is something different. Don't go from here. Here we have new option. From here as well you can create. You have to click here, but I am not saying that. I am saying click new here. Recent account. Beside this we have new. Click new. There you can give account name. Now, I want to purchase turbine for Reliance. What I have to enter? Mukesh Ambani will buy a turbine or Reliance will buy a turbine? Reliance will buy. Who is the contact person? Contact person. Huh? No, I am Reliance is purchasing. From which division they are purchasing? No. Reliance is going to purchase turbine from GE. So Reliance is which division? Oil. Reliance has sub parent account, right? Reliance is a one organization. Under Reliance, so many people are there. Reliance is purchasing. They are purchasing for their oil and gas division. Now you have to enter Reliance Oil and Gas. They are purchasing this product for this division. Whenever we are doing some transaction or something, it should be very clear for what we are doing. It is not like something we write Reliance like doctor. Medical shop person also nowadays not understanding. He is going to doctor and he is knocking his door. He is busy in surgery. 3 hours we have to wait for tablets. Not like that. Anytime when we are doing, when we are reading, when we are studying, we need to have clarity. Don't do past activities like write something like doctor. If you write something, we have to understand. If our writing is not good, then no problem. Writing I cannot correct because from long time I am writing. If you tell me to correct your writing, I will leave that job. I will type. If I write, you will not understand what you will do with my writing. Now I am giving Reliance Oil and Gas. Here, before going here, what you have to do is you have to create one account with Reliance. One account with Reliance. I am not entering these details, but you have to enter all these details. Don't leave any details. I am giving this as assignment to you. This one only mandatory field. I am saving this record. You have to enter all the fields, whatever is available. Now I am going to create one more account. New. Reliance Oil and Gas. For this company, I am going to buy. Who is the parent account? See this. Understood logic? Huh?
No, sir.
Reliance
No,
is
sir.
the main company. Under Reliance, how many companies are there? Reliance is there. Reliance Oil and Gas is one division. Reliance Big C mobiles are from Reliance or somebody else? Reliance, they have cookware now. They have Reliance Fresh. Reliance? Reliance? Trensa? I don't know. I don't know. This is very serious crime. Reliance Trensa, they are selling clothes. Huh? Geo? Reliance Fresh is different.
Reliance Trends also. Reliance Digital.
Reliance Digital. What is this? Shall we go and do some revolution kind of things? Ambani and Adani? Only those two will have money. Huh? What is this? Condemning this very seriously. Mama. All these are under Reliance. Reliance is the parent, right? And all these are child companies. And who is contact person for them? Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is the main person. They will give his number while purchasing, or they will give somebody's number. If you want to contact Swapna, she will not be available. We will not give her number. Ichna kuda no use. She will not receive my call only. How she will receive your call? So somebody, Vijay or Rajni or me, will tell they want to talk to you. Then she will see WhatsApp message. She will not reply. Because we have to tell her, this person wants to meet you or talk to you. Talk to them. After requesting for so many times, she will talk. We have to request her, not you. You will tell her, she is not responding, calling, no responding, no, not answering. She will not answer. Because she is busy than me. She has work. I don't have any work. You can talk to me anytime. No work. Enjoy. So like this, when you are creating contact, you have to give Mukesh Ambani contact. You have to create a one contact with Mukesh Ambani, and his number you find out and give there while creating contact. You know, right, how to create contact? I have shown you how to create account. And you create opportunity as well. You create campaign, you create lead. Case you create, solution you create. You do it by yourself. Some things you have to do by yourself. I have shown how to create account. That's it. Save. Enter all the fields. I have given this as assignment. Apply your thought process. I have given to create 5 accounts, 5 campaigns. And I have given what is type field. Some fields having options to select. If I click on campaigns, new, here it is showing type. I am asking what is the type field and what type fields are available. You have to write down. So do this practice. We have to do it because these are very important functional wide. This functionality is required for whom mainly? This functionality, application functionality is required for whom? Client. Then as a developer and administrator, we have to know. This functionality is important for both client and us. So we have to know it very clearly. Create like this. Now I have given questions like this. If you don't get, you search in Google. These questions and answers you have to search in Google. This is a work for you. Like this I have given for account, lead, account, contact, opportunity, case and solution. So I have asked what is potential liability of the field. These are the general terminology which you need to understand. If you have this command, you can explain your project easily. Swapna will explain this everything, consulting part. Before her, you have to understand these words. Otherwise, when she is speaking, you will think something is happening back end. You have to remember this. Some things we have to remember. Some things we have to. 99% of the things we have to understand. 1% we have to remember. ABCDs we have to remember. No understanding. What we will understand in ABC? Some things. Grammar, if you want to form sentence, you have to understand grammar. Some things, no chance. We have to remember, oh, this is this only. And that we have to understand what is that. What is this, that is this, that. That is my English problem. Okay, it is coming like that. I don't know. I have to correct it. Means trying to correct. So many things I have corrected. Last sessions I used to say so. Now it is not coming. That is coming now. I have to remove that. So every day we have to improve. That is for today's session. Now anybody have any questions? Someone is asking lead life cycle. Who is asking lead life cycle?
I asked the lead